Okay, uh, welcome back everyone with me. So today I will try to teach you how to write down a procedure text, or especially for the unit one on computer applications. So what is actually a procedure text? Sebenarnya text procedure itu menunjukkan sequences or steps of or creating something. Jadi ketika kita ingin membuat langkah-langkah, biasanya yang ada di buku manual gitu ya, yang bukunya tidak pernah Anda baca. uh, it shows sequences of or steps of creating something. Jadi buku manual itu adalah text prosedur begitu. Nah, in procedure text, it includes the imperative sentences. Jadi procedure text itu menggunakan kalimat perintah ketika kita mau membuat kalimat tersebut gitu ya. Misalkan ketika if you buy a smartphone or even new gadgets for you yourself, biasanya kan ada ya, take a look over here. Kalimat perintah ya, klik the following button. Jadi klik saja tombol berikut ini, or even open your internet browser and then select the file that you want to upload. So this is really different with the what is it? Simple present tense. So it starts with the verb. Jadi di sini adalah verbnya. Kalau di present tense kan ada subject ya, Ayu, Dewi, he, she, it. Sedangkan di sini langsung masuk di kalimat perintah. Jadi di sini langsung verb. Jika Anda membeli smartphone, biasanya kan pasti ada ya, turn on the smartphone or turn on the device. Jadi hidupkan device ini atau gadget ini dengan menekan tombol berikut, just like that. So whenever you use the procedure text, it always starts with the verb. Okay, always start with the verb. So here are the examples. So before you create the whole text in paragraph, I want you to create a mind map just like this one. Just let me duplicate this one first. Nah, take a look on the following examples over here. Let me just create one more. Nah, in this case, I want you to create the steps of how to install an application. Okay, it could be any applications, and your class should be what is it? Different from one to the others. Yeah. In this case, I will give you the examples of creating an application in, for instance, let me give you example. How to install Zoom on your laptop. Okay, so this is the titles, yeah. Pay attention, this is the titles. And then the first part would be, what should you do first? Okay, of course, open your browser, right? The first one, try to open your browser. Jika Anda mau menginstal Zoom, pasti kan membuka browser dulu ya. Okay, pay attention. This is not for the mobile application. This is for computer applications ya. Jadi tidak menggunakan Play Store, tidak menggunakan App Store, but we use computer over here. So the first one would be open your browser. It could be Safari, it could be Chrome, or it could be even Opera or Firefox, and then the others. Yeah. And then go on to the second part. What are the second part? What will you do? Pasti mencari Zoom ya. Zoom itu websitenya di mana? Berarti gimana? Search on Google. Zoom application. Nah, just like that one, sampai selesai. Nah, don't forget, for your information, I have done my own. This one is how to install an Audacity. Audacity is an audio application for editing our sound or our voice, just like that. At least you should create 9 bubbles, just like this one, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 9. At least sedikitnya ya. So after you create the following, what is it? Mind maps, I want you to write it down over here. Nah, jika sudah seperti ini, 1 sampai 8 atau 1 sampai 9 contohnya, I want you to put it just like this in paragraph. Jadi paragrafnya harus ada seperti ini. First, next, then, after that, finally. What is it for? Sebenarnya ini semua, ya, the bold ones over here. Here are the steps. Jadi step. Jadi ketika Anda menggunakan mau membuat paragraf, you have sequences. Jadi pasti yang pertama kan first, second, third, yang pertama, yang kedua, yang ketiga. And then you can also use this one. After that, next, the next step, and then the others. So it would be really easy for you to create the following, what is it, applications. So silakan membuat procedure text yang seperti ini. And of course, don't forget to include the screenshot of the progress. Jadi saya minta Anda semua untuk memasukkan screenshot-nya ya, setiap progress. Jadi first seperti ini, masukkan screenshot-nya, second, masukkan screenshot-nya, then screenshot seperti apa, and then you can create it in the form of the paragraph. Jadi screenshot-nya harus ada setiap progress. Oke? Got it? Saya percaya kalau Anda pasti bisa. I believe that you can do it, everyone. So I guess that's it for today for the procedure text. Don't forget to to send your work to me. Yeah. I guess that's it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.